Assalamu alaikum. I'm Sir Danish. This is Unit 1 Front End. We are going to talk about three main objectives in this unit: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So it's a pretty important lesson in order to understand front end developing. We are not actually going to write a lot of code. You will be seeing code, but you are not going to write much on your own until the next unit. In this unit, our classes will be on setting up front-end developer environment, difference between front-end, back-end, and full-stack developing, introduction to the web, and front-end basics. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Today our class about setting up front-end developer environment. We will start with setting up our own developer environment so that we can write code. So first we need to install Google Chrome. If you have other browsers, not an issue. Most of the developers use Google Chrome, so I suggest you to download it. Now let me show you how to download them. First you have to open Internet Explorer and type free download Google Chrome for desktop. This is an official site of Google Chrome. You can download it from here. Now the second software is Sublime. You have to open new tab and type free download Sublime Text 3. There are options according to your operating system. If you have Windows 32-bit, you can download Windows. Now, I have Windows 64-bit. I already downloaded both of them. Now you have to install them. I already installed them into my PC. After that, you will be able to write some codes. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. I am Sir Danish. This is Unit 1. Today our class about difference between front end and back end. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. The front end is the stuff that you see and interact with: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The back end is everything else, so many choices. Let's take practical website example. Here this is a website called Navy Leads. This is one page website. This will be same when I refresh it. I mean, it could be changed but manually through HTML and CSS. But here's another website which is called Facebook. It's a dynamic website. When I refresh it, it will automatically cache data and brings on this page. So again the difference is one is static web and other is dynamic. Both of them are web pages, consists on HTML, CSS and JavaScript, but one is going to change based on server-side code, something on backend. Let's make it easier. Let's take the example of restaurant. Like the backend is everything that happens in the kitchen. Assume that this is the kitchen, and the front end is what is plated and set to your table. I hope now you got the difference between front end and back end. If you learn both the phases, then you will be a full stack developer. Thank you.